From start to finish, interior drain system and sump pump discharge. We started by installing a wall shield along the foundation wall for added moisture protection. Set the sump pump system with durable discharge piping. We also installed the battery backup inside of the sump pump basin, designed to efficiently collect and discharge water when the power goes out,
protecting the basement from the inside out. Meanwhile, outside,
we are digging for install of the exterior discharge line. Creating a safe path that carries water far from the foundation. Every step works together to relieve hydrostatic pressure, control moisture, and keep the basement dry. After installation, we carefully backfill and compact the soil to ensure proper drainage flow. Drainage is critical because even the best waterproofing system needs a reliable way to remove water once it's collected.
Final step underway.
We're finishing the concrete over the drain. Anyone can pour concrete, but at Pier we make sure the ground is clean, compacted and ready. Details matter. We believe in addressing the source of the problem, not just the symptoms. That's why every waterproofing system is customized to the home's specific needs and installed with long-term performance in mind. This solution provides a lifetime warranty and offers peace of mind. This is the final result, another job done right.
Professional installation, smart drainage design.
Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. We post daily educational videos to help homeowners spot problems early and protect their homes.